Me not go for there. Me no want to see. Me afraid. Me hide from people, you know. Yeah. Even though I'm enough kind of, you know, take on myself to the next level. I can't, but them do my body like Sunday boy, yeah. Them do my body when me in the hospital. I'm telling you, reach me. I come out of the hospital and spend 3 days at town. I left my Portland Sam. Me I go get the nice money with near to the water, you know. And my friend Karen, big up my friend Jade from Portland. And my husband massage me up on the riverbed and I'm lie down. I mean I look for Jungle, I can't get your Jungle and I come pull it. I'm still sick about too tough, I still a mover. And my son me I left right crazy one Indian man up on the river all long and he said to me, Swan Jungle, and I say, look how long me I been after me. The man catch 5 fucking Jungle for me. I wish me I get it on. After them bathe me in the river and do a massage me, I lie down on the river stone right underneath. It was so nice and healing to me. Because you know, right which part, Jade, big up your damn self. The lady I'm going to stay with, she named Jade, I'm afraid of her. Jade. She live right in front of Mountain Peak. So for the 4 days I spend in Portland after me come out of the hospital, me come there for Portland heal me because the mother nature and the atmosphere is pure in it. So the Sunday, yeah. I get there, go to the river and lie down and sit and all of that. The Monday we come back at town now. I'm there on the live, you know. Remember me still sick in the right crazy, I just a little. Yeah! Lord God win jail. Big up your damn self. So we come back at town now, we do the live in the early morning then at all of us, because me I tell you Portland heal me. My voice come back strong. So I said, do it! We got my voice! 3 hours we are driving excited. Whenever I did the battery dead, blood clot. Couple hours and I reach back town now. I hear we call me and say to myself, I mean then I also said, give me Miss Bling number. I said, for what? I said, just give me Miss Bling number. When I browse and watch, mix up and sit. I don't have no blood clot time for them. The people for watch me. I don't have no time for watch them. Them something that intrigue me in it. So I'm going to give my number now. I'm ask for little bird, say, what do you want Miss Bling number for? Where go on? Them say for go over TikTok, blood clot. I'm reach over TikTok for watch. I just see you while the man want the number, you know. I get involved and right crazy when I watch by myself. I'm a shout. I'm a scream. I'm make beer blood clot nice and sister me just a heal, just a come out of me shame. I don't notice, I don't see much panic. Me shame for true, God know. Me I say, Jesus Christ, me shame when me watch back. Me go and body the riot crazies. Me say blood clot. God really good. Me say after me just come out of the hospital and just come from Portland go get healing, me make people drive me out, so. Yeah, man, me go and blood clot, but when me listen back to myself, me say, no, man, me not go on a TikTok for no, man. Me not, so come to see me hold my corner. Because it was really awful. But you know, I'm glad for myself, huh? So say God make me curse, because I never go Portland. My voice come back good. I'm just a curse. RT, not nice. I would have done life. Curse. And then after me, I say, Bumble Club, I can't even walk good. Me I walk and hold my belly so that won't come so. I'm put on like that big dirty blood clot cussing there defend my husband. Me. I'm crazy. So right now, I take time build myself bit by bit, little by little, me in no age, yes. And me don't have nowhere I come go. From I can rise, eat and lie down in my bed. Me no business about one fuck. Me not frightened over nothing again. Me married. I go through designer shoes. Me don't like when the people them that on internet them that on auntie. Don't call me no fucking auntie if me is not your father. I don't want to be no English auntie or you understand me? I have to be your mom, sister, or your dad. Other than that, just say me queen or just say queenie. I don't like the auntie fake something. I like real nephew and real niece auntie. True. I'm telling you all the while. Some of my peanut were escaped from giving. Yeah, but with all fairness, you are crazy. Right now, apart of me, I should have dared Jamaica to get my result. But the way the cooler doctor bad me up the ready surgeon said, you got so much money. Jamaica is expensive, Mr. Doctor. Oh, that's why I'm still here, so no, come still I do. Rhythm that if I forgot him said, no, you don't have to go back for no result. So I'm going to refer me. For them do the indoor check-in. Yeah, more know where I go and cast. Remember my daughter did them cut out her belly so she have Ulster. And within fucking months the people did that for cancer. Someone know what the fuck when them they cut out the Ulster. Let's do stage 1, the stage 2.5, stage 3. Where all are fucking them there. They dead. Me did I go uncle thing and yes you gone it was it the night. Oh the night call. I got a funeral. I never got a night. I don't remember now, I never. So much something done. And then I text after that and they in the hospital. Oh, grave digging, yeah. I was at the grave digging, yeah. Yeah, I got a grave digging. We never get for go to night. I'm going to funeral and the upstairs. Bumbo clap, Mr. When we reach. Them say, the coming are done. I say, the coming are done, you know how much years I say coming out? And that's why I put out so much effort for come and see the coming out. I said, call sister, I say, Wayne. Tracy, big up Tracy from Johnstown, St. Thomas. Tracy, big up your damn self. You take care of my brother. Even though I hear a brother too. I don't know why I have so much bomber clot dead people in my family. No going a man dead. And I said, when I said to Tracy, I said, Tracy, I'm so disappointment. You know how much years from a little girl, I see back coming up. And I said, Tracy, call out the coming up people. They say, we are the blood clot. Everything on my phone, I allow me to post it yet, we are. My nephew. I say, oh, get it done right now. We say, blood clot. Nice. Coming on nice. Coming on. That's how my father used to beat. Coming on drum. When him got anybody with dead man. And that's why we saw dance. And nice too. They have 2 drummers on the back, you know. Yeah, man, I buy 2 drummers, TK Maxx in England, yeah, man. When we Mr. Strong on them on the back and beat coming out, blood clot. And that me need to start the beat some coming out for a dirty blood clot where I trouble me. Yeah, man, I'm buying and cursing up. Yeah. I don't have no fucking cancer. I don't get no cancer. God want me to stay up on the land till I reach 90. I thought that. Maybe 105. No cancer now kill me like my pitney. Fuck that. I don't believe, sir. God, I remember go through that the major surgery there. Sit down in my yard till this is busting on me till it rupture one of my ovary, my right ovary. Till the whole of my body infected and God pull me through that and go give me cancer again. And go and leave me the fuck alone and not put no cancer upon me. It's not everybody cancer fit. Cancer don't fit me for that. It's true. I buy and curse. I accept the match. I buy and send that back to the pit of hell. Remember my apartment. I remember that's why I put him at my earring. You want to come to the apartment with me, you can, you know. Alright, crazy. Later, me I don't play much. All I scan them, I had a pussy scan. I do quit so out. But just raw and plain in it. Yeah, me I do, whom something name again? What's it called? Smear. Me I do smear test, blood test, piss test. Where's the doctor say me I do kidney, me I do liver, all of the blood tests, me I do scan, me I do x-ray, me I do everything. So I'm saying me now have to go back to Jamaica. You understand? Jamaica don't know my money, me have to stay in England and get some phone before I go back down there. I don't take too much money down there, man. I don't for going out. Bumbo clot. I love Jamaica, though. I'm not going to Jamaica for nowhere. Alright. I'm going to eat the red. I can't with me now, but I can't talk and not pay no attention. I don't get too much trouble. You know, I'm very unruly. Alright, we're going over here, so now. Much soon done. 3 more minutes. We love you in Jamaica. At Moms, thank you. At Moms. I true my Jamaican, them love the aim in all life. Morning, my boss. Big up. Erica Brown, big up your clean self every time. Good. At girl Erica Brown, thank you. People them love me at Jamaica, man. Big up my real nephew, Wayne Young. I look at Wayne Young, I follow her. That's my sister's son. My real good up at nephew. Alright, when I take care, but I couldn't see me back over the family. Queen any family here? Me and my family over there because some of them can't stand me in a way. So them itch up in my bumble like tampon. I will class them. Me have some dirty family with trouble me. But them know themselves. Some of them over here watch me win. Yeah, some of them trouble me when me in the hospital. So but just block them and stay away from them. So them go to their people me. Yeah, man, them trouble. My nephew, you know. Your head not good idea anyway. Blood clot. Mr. Wayne, you're really my nephew. You're really my Ross Clark father, grandpitney. You hear that? You see me, you, and the one named Lover, blood clot. We're really family, Wayne. We're not taking no for queen now. I just logical that now. What time now? 16:51. May 1st, 2024. Signature. Alright, kids. Is it? What's the match not done yet? Don't hurry up and done the match. Love you, my nephew. Love you. It's so nice to hear from you. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm up on time. She don't answer me about my mistake. She ready for me. Alright, Andre, blessed love, Queenie, we did upon the world word for Jubilee together. Oh God. So you not tell me who you are, Queenie, we did. Watch my hospital, friend. I was trying to honor this. I only my friend me making a hospital for two. Queenie, we did upon the word for over Jubilee. Oh, you alright, baby girl? How was it? Yeah, we showed her the patient. Yeah, man, I meet some nice ladies in the hospital and them I go through so much like myself here. But you know what? We unite together and cheer up each other and I love that. Jamaica people, them are the greatest, me not lie. Them loving. Them is a set of bumper wall, you know, but it's when them for look out each other and care for each other and them something. Them do it. You ever park a carrot? All 10 man I tell you to turn left, turn right. You ever go somewhere yet? All 50 somebody are direct and I tell you this and I tell you that. Them a bumper wall, you know. But you see, Jamaican people, they are very willing, they're caring, and they're helpful. Sometimes them super helpful, super careful. Baby, I'm pregnant. Are you breed me, EJ? Are you breed me? Hi, Queen. Your dreams see me. Hi, Queen. I had dreams. See you Monday night. What your dreams about me? Cutter. That sound like you have my power cutting board. Hey, I have breast cancer, Queen, but me survive it. Jesus Christ, Andrea Dockery. I say your name? Me don't want to hear. God goody, you survive it. I don't like hear the name. You know, some of my friend call me and tell me say she have cancer and God know me no mean it in a bad way. Show me love laugh. You know, if I know myself, so I hide from her. Me can't, me not, man in a bad way. Me can't do it right crazy. That's just fucking me. Me not get up going in a hospital, go look for nobody, depress myself. I prefer send them one little change, buy them 2 little 90. If them forget a little thing, I can't. Me not do it. You see, me in a hospital with them, I tell them, say nobody enough to come look for me. Even my daughter. Queen is nice if you meet her in person. Yeah, man, nice the truth. Yeah, man, about everybody can meet me in a person. Them for go, them for just stay one side and not meet me. Some of them not for meet me. My daughter wanted to come to Jamaica when I was in the hospital. But I said to her, you have your 2 boys them there, and you have your business, you have her own business at the plus to do a little job. So for me, you know, sit down and cry, like a fucking big baby when I know I'm grow tough without a blood clot, choose walk by asphalt and go. I just hold my own and pray and make sure get on with life in it. Everybody different. They might say, oh yes, stubborn is not stubborn, it's considerate. Come like when I'm in the prison. You see, I'm in the prison down in England, yes, so down there, so. Me just tell nobody not come look for man. Me not care about no fucking visit, man. Just send me money that me can buy something for me get from my canteen. From me have money, me not care come. Me not need nobody for do my sentence with me. You understand? So everyone is different. For my surgery, me could have been one big baby, I look more attention all of them. Something. No, me not like it. Me just feel like me a burden down people. So when them say no, nobody not for come in the hospital, it was good. That was a good tape. Big up the sister them, all of the nurses them at Jubilee Hospital. Because I know, and I have to remember, you know, other than me popular, other than me being a famous person, my personality, a lot of people take on to me because I'm a crazy energy. So for sister, I'm there right downtown, right in the heart or something. Don't, Mr. Blood Clot, right crazy. That's how I know my turn. I'm have to big up my father and my mother because God made them give me that gene. Right, because so I'm going to the hospital on Friday. Me's a dead blood clot woman I mean no know. You hear me? The whole of the something I bust in my pies inside of my body. So you see my skin where you look at now, my skin look black. But on the black in there look black and blue. So I have this, I'm a sweat. A good thing I love video. I sweat like hard. You can't see the pies or something I throw my body. You can't see some of my body. I have a video there without. I'm sorry, crazies. The amount of people I'm lean up some Queen Wave to. Sometimes I can't even Queen Wave and them want the picture I'm go some. Like one little dead girl and say, Queen Wave. 3/4 them I take picture of blood clot and I socialize and meet and greet and I'm a 6th stage. And that's what the nurse said, no. She have to cut off everybody, because when them black the people them from outside, they have the people them in the hospital are fascinated for the Queen. Man want to see me, woman want to see me, who in the kitchen want to see them that were the pack up the clothes and want to see me, and I'm like, Queen, Queen. You understand? So I just have to give God thanks, whatever situation, you know. Like me, I learn my lesson 10 different ways. Many different ways. But life is a journey. Every day is a learning process. So not because I learned yesterday, mean to say, something new now going to happen for me learn today. Living is a learning process. Never say never, right, crazy. Because the same amount of say no, come say yes. And like me, I can't use my husband for perfect example. When my husband left for that 6 months, everybody see me and sit him say, make sure they take him back in the hear me? No, for me. I'ma help them endorse it. You understand me? Because I genuinely think, say, bloops, this is it now. So whenever, remember when my friend said to me, saying, and I'm going to take back my husband. And I'm going to take back blood clot. What you name take back? First to begin with, the man gone this, that, and that. So right crazy just trusting a band in a perfect and you don't know where I got happen in a life. I may tell you see the bashing when I get. You see the buckle when I get for take my husband back. Me, Queen, I can't tell you. The amount of things I'm going to lose. The other half has never been told. And will never have a clue. Me, you feel so? To go back husband, you know what me lose to that? You know how much me lose to that? How much, I'm just say, you know what, Queenie? You don't lose your life. I say, because me stand up for what me believe in. I prefer lose every blood clot thing when I believe in what me believe in. And that's God Almighty truth. It just shows that life comes with ups and downs. And life is crazy. If somebody did pay me last year, December, before I keep my party, I said to myself, may I pay £10 million for tell say your husband and go back? Would I say a lie? Yeah, I'm right crazy. I don't want the money. And that £10,000 would have done me so much well. I would have disowned it because I never see it coming. I never look for it. As much as I cut up inside, I accept it. So I say, God send back the man to blood clot. I say, what? First thing when me said the man over, Shelly called me out, him wife. I say, why am say wife out time out? Them say, Mr. Me not go over there go looking now. You sure that he said? And let me hear him say it for myself. I put up a defense and say, make him move in blood clot and I call me now wife and I put up a defense. And right crazies? One word me hear do is so tight him say, any of the two we see each other. I buckle back each other face to face. True, man, you know what I say. No matter what the internet wants, say I'm a cuss him and him cuss me and this and that. You see, love? Love is life. Love conquer it all. Love you have to lose for love, for win in love. Same way like life. And may I tell you, if me see me and do it, go so me and my husband go back together. Any blood clotting possibly in a life, right? Crazy. You hear that? Any bomber clotting. Me literally give up on my marriage. But through me strong, me still a jump on her prawns. But you see the love I got, know me have my pure love. I never me go back. I don't mean it run it. But just stay here as a submissive wife, relax. Everybody say me I am it. But if I should die right now, bumbo wall. No can't sound a sack out the way wife. No can't sound a put on a thinking cheese and blood clot, cocky down my throat because I'm the desperate. But all my one, you hear that? I said that make me feel good. Hey, I say blood clot. Suppose me did follow people. Me never know say there was chance to get back my husband. You think if me to go fuck and take other man, but I get back my husband? I want to tell the man. You see, God still down there, up there, sir, and him look down. And him say, no much sleepless blood clot night, me having this, and hold it, stay away. I say, God, anyway, do it, they protect him, and make him stay away in blood clot there. Oh, my glad him not there in England. Because I never have no choice more than for glad coming have him. You know, my time I lie down in the sun, I say, one night I dream him. So I'm come right to the window there, so. I'm a powerful in the right crazies. When do we just left in my dreams, so do we say, you might have a party for 6 months or 6 weeks, some 60 mules. I don't remember if it's 6 months or 6 weeks. I'm said to Yvette and Diane. And when my husband come back after 6 months, I said, blood clot the dream, and they get that it mean, the six. So right crazies, we're telling us something. It's not about to impress the world. You see, the greatest thing is to impress yourself. It's me what impress myself, that's why I'm so powerful and awful. I'm a damn blood clot business. Who I like me, cuts me like my blood clot self. Come stand up for me, believe you know. I could I get 19 and a half man for me in the space of the 6 months. I'll 92. Me know what? Me's not a fuck about